In this video, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to source products from China without having to do the whole process manually yourself on websites like Alibaba. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so of course you can do this process manually yourself on websites like Alibaba, but you're gonna have to communicate and negotiate with tens and tens of different manufacturers. Often there's a language barrier, it's hard to know whether you're getting the best pricing, and it's just a really time-intensive process. So a much quicker and easier option is to actually get a sourcing company to do this whole process for you. Now it's not all sunshine and roses, there's both pros and cons that you need to be aware of when using a sourcing company. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm going to show you the sourcing company that I recommend. I'm going to show you how it works. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you both the pros and cons of using a sourcing company so that you can make an informed decision of whether you want to use one or not. So the sourcing company that I personally recommend is called Jing Sourcing. Now you guys who watch my channel will know that I would never recommend a company unless I trust them and use them myself. And I've used Jing Sourcing several times over the last few years. So have many of my clients, and they've always provided an incredible service, much better than some of the other sourcing companies that I've worked with who I'm not going to name. But yeah, they are a great company and I would highly recommend them. So they have a super simple sourcing process, which is actually also totally free to use. You only actually pay them and they only make any money if you decide to place an order with them for the products that they source for you. So actually, they're really incentivized to find you the best quality product at the best price. Because if the product or the pricing just isn't right for you and then you decide not to place an order through them, you don't pay a penny, they don't make any money. And this is something that's really important to understand because this was something that I wasn't aware of when first using a sourcing company. I just assumed you had to pay upfront for that service, but that's not the case. Now, this is kind of a pro and a con, but I'll explain why a little later. So what you want to do is click on the link in the description. I'll also add it as a pinned comment. And then what it will do is it will take you to a page that looks just like this. And if you scroll down on this page, you will see basically a form that you can fill in. Now, guys, if you use the link in the description or as a pinned comment, it will actually give you $20 off their fee if you decide to place an order with these guys. So make sure that you actually bookmark or save this link somewhere and save some money. So if we come back to this form, the first thing you need to do is just add in your name, then your email address, phone number. These are mandatory, so enter those in. Then what you can do, and these are optional, is that you can add in an address. Now, you don't have to do this, but if you want to add in an address here, make sure it's the address that you would want any samples to go to, because I'll explain a little bit later on how this works, but they'll be sending you some samples. So add in an address here for some samples, or you can just leave this blank, select a country, and then what stage your business is at. They'll ask you to select whether you're sourcing products for the first time, whether you have successful products, or whether you're already selling and you want to expand to more products, or whether you just want to optimize a product you're already selling or something in your supply chain. So just select the one that's most appropriate for you. And then finally, you just need to add a little bit of information in this box right here. So all they're asking you to do is just tell them a little bit more about the product that you're trying to source. So a link to a product on Alibaba, a link to a product on Amazon, maybe a competitor product that's similar, and then some extra information. Maybe if there's a bundle you want to launch, tell them a little bit about that. As much information as you can give them as possible, the better. So just write in as much information here and then click I need an agent right now. What will then happen is that then this will be assigned to one of their sourcing agents who will then get in contact with you to kind of work on the smaller details and nail those down in a bit more detail. You can, in my experience, they're normally pretty happy to speak over email, WhatsApp, or either Zoom calls. I personally prefer Zoom calls. I just find them easier and kind of more helpful, and their communication is great. So Zoom calls are perfectly fine. And then once you've nailed down all of those details, the sourcing agent will then actively start sourcing that product for you. And at this point, you don't have to do anything. You can just sit back and kind of let them do their thing. So Jing Sourcing have a big network of high quality trusted manufacturers. And what they'll do is they'll actually start reaching out to the ones that they think are most appropriate for you and the product you're looking for. They'll firstly find out whether any of those manufacturers can actually make the product to the specs that you're looking for. If they can, they'll then get some samples from those manufacturers and actually test those samples. If any of those samples are good and high quality, they'll then actually negotiate with those manufacturers to get the best pricing for you. Then what they'll do once they've done that is they'll then basically present you with 1 to 3 final options. They'll tell you the pricing, they'll send you samples. You can then test those samples yourself, compare the pricing, and then kind of make a decision of what you want to do moving forward. If the quality or pricing isn't right or just doesn't work for you, then you don't have to place an order with them. And like I said earlier, it won't cost you a penny. However, there's still a big advantage to doing this, even if you don't decide to move forward with them, which I'll explain a little bit later on in the video. If everything looks good and you want to move forward with them, all you need to do is place an order directly with them, and then they will deal with literally everything moving forward right to the point until the goods actually arrive with you or Amazon or wherever you're actually shipping those goods to. So they'll place an order with the manufacturer and actually deal with the production process. Once production is finished, they'll then also do a quality inspection. Now, Jing Sourcing take full responsibility for the quality of the products, which is something that very few other sourcing companies do and actually sets them apart. So if there are any issues with the production, they'll actually deal with the manufacturer, negotiate to fix those issues for you on your behalf. You won't have to do anything. Once everything's looking good, they'll then also organize the logistics and shipping with you. So like I said, they literally deal with everything for you. So you can see why it's quite an attractive offer or way of doing things. So clearly there are some serious pros to using a sourcing company like Jing Sourcing. Firstly, it's a much quicker and easier and less time intensive way than sourcing manually. Secondly, there's much less language barrier, so things are much less likely to get lost in translation. Thirdly, they deal with quality control, so you can be very confident that you're going to get a high quality product. And finally, even if you decide not to move forward with Jing Sourcing or any sourcing company for that matter, at the very least, what it's going to do is it's the samples and pricing that they provide you, you're going to actually be able to use as a benchmark to compare to the other samples and other pricing that you get from other manufacturers if you go through that process manually as well, which can be super, super helpful. But of course, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are two big cons with using a sourcing company like Jing Sourcing or any sourcing company that you need to be aware of. Firstly, they do of course charge you for this service, and this is something that's really important to be aware of. Now, as you can see from their website, they don't charge you a set service fee. Instead, their fee is built into the price per unit that they actually offer you. So essentially what they do is they negotiate a price per unit with the manufacturers directly, and then they just add a little bit on top as their service fee essentially. Now, technically, you could manually source that product from that manufacturer directly and actually save on their service fee. So if you use a company like Jing Sourcing, you may actually end up paying more, a higher cost per unit for the products you're actually buying, which is something that's really important to bear in mind. However, that's not always the case. Obviously, they have really good relationships with these manufacturers, so they may actually be able to negotiate a better price per unit than you could, but it's just something to always bear in mind. What I would say is just make sure that you do your profit calculations properly. And if you need to do this for Amazon, I've got a video which I'll put up here somewhere that shows you exactly how to do this for Amazon, but do your profit calculations properly. And provided you have good margins with the price per unit that they're providing, then that's totally fine. The second con is that Jing Sourcing and most sourcing companies won't actually ever give you the name or contact details of the manufacturer that you're ordering from, which basically means that if you want to keep ordering this product, you have to keep ordering it from or through the sourcing company or Jing Sourcing. Now, this isn't necessarily an issue provided that the sourcing company is actually giving you a good service, but obviously if they're not, then you're a bit screwed. So you need to make sure that you're picking a good sourcing company. But the other issue is that it just means that you can't really build a relationship with that manufacturer. It's a bit higher to maybe bring down the cost per unit if your order volumes go up, or if you basically buy other products from that manufacturer. So again, it's just something to bear in mind. As always, guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, give the video a like, and I will see you in the next one.